guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to be making a fun floral arrangement, and I picked up this cute fun mushroom vase at Five Below, and I just added some foam to it. And then I picked up a bunch of floral picks at Dollar Tree and Dollar General. I did not use the sunflower pick, and I just cut them into shorter pieces. And you'll want to hot glue your foam in. And so I'm going to start with the pretty white flowers first. You could add a little dot of hot glue on the end of each pick before you push it in the foam if you would like. So I put one in the center, and you'll want it to be a little taller in the center. Then I put one on the left and one on the right. And I usually do a pattern. Whatever I do on the left side, I try to do on the right side. Whatever I do on the front, I also try to do on the back. When you're choosing your flowers, you'll want to choose a variety of shapes, sizes, and textures. I love it when I can find pieces like this one. This one came from Dollar Tree. So you'll want some that have like dainty flowers, and just choose some with a different texture too, because these kind of like have a little spiky texture, and they're just fun and different. And remember, these are from Dollar Tree, only $1.25, and Dollar General's flowers are reasonably priced too. So just remember to try to make your arrangement balanced as possible. So whatever I do on one side, I'm going to do on the other. Same with the front and the back. This is a petite size arrangement, so you're not going to need too many flowers for it. So remember, if you're making an arrangement in a bigger vase, then you're going to need more flowers than this. And I like to choose a variety of different colors, especially for spring and summer. Now my white or cream colored flowers and the kind of like spiky, like pom-pom looking flowers, they were at Dollar Tree, and I really think they're in new for fall, but they work together nicely with this soft pale pink. And then I'm going to add a pop of color too, so just wait and you'll see. Okay guys, what do you think of this cute little summer arrangement? In the comment section below, leave me a comment. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, share this tutorial, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. It is free to subscribe. I share lots of budget-friendly DIYs, shop with me videos, decorating, and all of that kind of fun stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day.